Hello, welcome to Lloyd Land Rover Stockton. My name's Sam. Today we have a beautiful example of a Range Rover Sport that's just landed in stock with us. It is an SVR, so of course that is the big 5-litre V8 petrol engine, 575 brake horsepower in this vehicle. It's a monster, it drives absolutely fantastically, as well as having a great stance. It looks absolutely brilliant. So Santorini Black, it is a black vehicle. We've got extended exterior black pack as well, so it's all blacked out right across the car. Black exterior pack gives that black lettering. Grille, surround sensors right around the vehicle, the nice, of course, signature SVR roundel on that one. And coming round to the side, paired with that black theme, we've got 22-inch gloss black alloy wheels. Probably the best wheels that did go on SVR, drive brilliantly, and red brake calipers on this car also. Now, of course, the likes of keyless entry, blind spot monitoring, power folding wing mirrors, privacy glass, believe it or not, is an option on this vehicle, but it has been added from the factory. And if you just follow me round to the back again, we've got that signature exhaust on the back. Again, more continuation of the SVR branding, special vehicle operations, and a huge boot on Range Rover Sport as well. Now, air suspension, which makes the car even more comfortable to drive. Electric tailgate, of course, which we can open and close the boot using the keys. And just taking a little look into the back of the vehicle, we've got a full black ebony leather with a signature SVR seat design on this vehicle as well. There was no clear signs of wear and tear. 4-zone climate control, so we can actually control the climate in the back for the rear occupants, and lots of leg room for them rear passengers as well. It's a very comfortable vehicle, as well as having a massive engine. Memory electric seats, loads and loads of adjustments in those electric seats, as well as having electrically adjustable steering wheel, which even in fact saves with the memory functionality. Now, 41,605 miles on this car, huge digital dashboard, fully customizable. Of course, we've got the SVR steering wheel as well, so accents of carbon right around the vehicle, heated steering wheel, huge aluminium paddles at the rear, along with auto lights and wipers, keyless start stop, all these carbon accents right across the car. Of course, it is an automatic, air suspension, all of our different driving modes, 2 huge screens here, so navigation, media functionality, a couple of my favourites in the fact that we've got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, but of course all of our climate controls down here. We've got heated seats, we've got cooling seats on the vehicle as well, and just between those 2 front seats we do have an extra bit of storage space, as well as looking up ahead. Not only do we have a sliding panoramic roof, but we do have that nice suede cloth headlining. Just some other stuff to highlight as well. I mean, the fantastic condition right around first of all, but these nice sport seats that are really comfortable, lots of adjustments that I've mentioned already, the bolster support, lumbar support in the vehicle, and all around is a stunning example of what Range Rover Sport has to offer. But first of all, I think most importantly on this vehicle, the most important thing is to come and drive it. So if you are wanting to do that, my name's Sam. Look to get us booked in, which is 01642 644 444. If you do have any more questions on the car, you can also inquire through this website. Thank you.